I was telling about how to add emojis, stickers to your Instagram stories. For that, we need to go to Instagram account and you need to click on your story and take a black blurry image. And here, I was taking a different types of stickers and avatars. So I was typing here emojis. I was typing here emojis. We found different types of emojis here, like this. And I was taking another emoji also, eyes and heart symbol. Like this, we can take emojis on your Instagram account. We have different types of textures also. In textures also, we have different types of emojis. Like this, we can type any emojis which would you like this also. And I was putting a story. Thank you. Okay.